The following video tutorial demonstrates proper use of Steripath Micro with integrated syringe used with a peripheral IV start. Perform skin surface antisepsis according to your institution's established guidelines. Open Steripath Micro, keeping the device on sterile package to prevent contamination. Insert IV catheter and secure site. After connecting Steripath Micro to IV catheter, slowly and steadily draw syringe plunger to divert the initial specimen of blood into diversion chamber. Monitor blood flow into the diversion chamber until it is full. Fully depress button on side of diversion device to lock in potential contaminants. Continue drawing syringe plunger to collect blood culture sample following standard procedure. After collecting blood culture specimens, clamp line prior to disconnecting the syringe. Immediately attach blood transfer device to reduce touchpoint contamination. Continue with additional specimens for blood work. Using aseptic technique, place blood transfer device with syringe and inoculate bottle. Dispose of supplies according to institution policy.